Hello, baby. So, what's going on? This is your girl Bahamas makeover. So, this is my bride for the week, and there's a little tutorial. So, hope you enjoyed it. But we're almost done, so it was left with some touch ups that I was doing. I was cleaning the brows. If you know me, I want everything to be perfect. As you can see, you can check from the face and the chest. Everything is perfect. Everything is nice. So yeah, we're cleaning up. We're touching up with a person powder and we're sealing it with the morphine spray. If you know, I only use good products on my bride, so let's say, have you seen how the bride was looking nice? So at this point, if you want to learn makeup, you want to learn hair installation, you want to learn everything beauty, I'm available. Hope you enjoy the small tutorials. Hope you like, share, and follow for more because we have a long vlog for you guys. Look at how the skin was skinning, and this thing you said you will not come so that you will not come so that I will teach you how to learn makeup. Hey, look at how my bride was looking. Bye bye. Hello, so Bahamas makeover does hair installation, makeup, everything beauty, lashes, what's everything, nails. So what are you waiting for? You can come into my DM, you can come and chat me. Have you seen how her skin was glowing? If you want to learn bridal makeup, bridal hairstyling, everything about makeup, I will take my time to teach you. Have you seen how my bride was looking? Have you seen how she's glowing? Everything about videography, editing, everything about makeup, hair. Have you seen how you can't even see anything about the hair? Everything was melted inside, everything was looking nice. And now look at how my bride was smiling. Hey, is the smile for me? Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit on the notification button.